guys, my name is Christy, super excited about this, about to do some gardening, and I'm super thankful that I was recently sent this gardening tool set over here. So today we're going to open it up and see what's inside. I also want to note too that I really like the packaging on this piece. This would be perfect for a Mother's Day gift, Father's Day gift, or any kind of gardening enthusiast out there. So here's everything you're going to get in your set. First, you're going to get a pair of gardening gloves. This is what they look like up close. I want to note on one glove there is 4 claws, which will help when you're gardening. You get a nice spray bottle for misting and or watering your plants. We have a shovel to dig with, and I really love how there's measurements right on the shovel, and it has a really nice handle. We have a nice weeder to remove our weeds, and I definitely have a few of those. A hand rake to loosen our soil. A crack weeder, which is perfect for getting weeds in really tight areas. A nice pair of garden shears for pruning our plants, and you open it over here. And I have to say, I think this is my most favorite thing of all, is a storage bag for all of your tools. This is perfect because I tend to lose them, so now I can keep them together in one spot. As you see, there's pockets for each tool and also an elastic band to hold them in. There are nice handles, and there's also a lot of space inside. I forgot to mention that this set does come with tags, so you are able to label your plants. So these tools are definitely built to last. You could tell they're made with really good material. Another thing I love too is that each tool has a nice ergonomic grip to it, and they also have the spots so you're able to hang them up as well. So first I started out with my weeder, and I have to say it worked perfectly. It definitely got the weeds out in no time. Then I used the hand rake to loosen up my soil and followed that with a shovel to dig. And doing all of this while wearing my really nice gardening gloves. Everything felt really easy to use, and I like how each tool just did what I needed without any hassle. It made the whole process of gardening feel really smooth and a lot more enjoyable. I also love having everything in one set, so I'm not running around looking for different tools while I'm in the middle of gardening. Overall, I'm definitely impressed with this gardening tool set. It literally has everything you need to start to garden. The tools are magnificent, they are nice and sharp, got the job done, and I'll definitely be using this when I plant the rest of my garden. But overall, I would definitely recommend it. So thank you so much for watching this review today. I hope it helps you.